This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap.
This is the Market Wrap for September 6th, Thursday. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. In the news today, according to the Institute for Supply Management, non-manufacturing sectors of the U.S. economy continue to grow at a steady pace in August. The ISM non-manufacturing index was unchanged at 55.8% in August, slightly stronger than the 55 expected by economists. Ratings over 50 indicate most firms are indeed growing. Labor Department reports that productivity, that's the amount of output per hour of work, jumped to an annual rate of 2.6% in April through the June quarter, even better than the 1.8% increase that was originally reported. Labor Department reports that jobless claims dropped to 318,000. That is down 19,000 from the previous week. And the European Central Bank held its benchmark interest rate steady, keeping it at 4%, in a nod to the volatility that has engulfed global markets since early August. Bank of England left its bench rate unchanged at 5.7%. It was oil inventories day today because the markets were closed on Monday. Crude supplies fell 3.9 million barrels to 329.7 million. Motor gasoline supplies fell a fifth straight week, down 1.5 million barrels at 191.1 million in the latest week. Distillate stocks were up 2.3 million barrels at 132.2 million. Refinery utilization rose to 92.1% of capacity. That's good news. Last week it was 90.3%. Consumers returned to the malls in August for a late back-to-school buying spree, helping many retailers rebound from July's sluggish pace. But analysts are still concerned that the weakening housing market and higher food and gas prices will curtail shopping in the critical retail months ahead during the holidays. In earnings news today, the Campbell Soup Company said its earnings rose 39% for the fourth quarter versus results a year ago that reflected costs related to sales of some European operations. Campbell earned $61 million or 16 cents a share. Korn Ferry International earned $196.3 million or 36 cents a share. Analysts expected 41 cents of profit on revenue of $206.7 million. And Fleetwood Enterprises reported a loss of $2.3 million or 4 cents a share versus a loss of $411,000 or a penny a share the previous year. Analysts did expect a loss of 10 cents a share for this current quarter. Some of the scheduled economic reports coming out tomorrow. It's a big day tomorrow. Non-farm payrolls, first Friday of the month in August, and wholesale inventories for July. There are no major earnings reports scheduled out tomorrow on Friday. Some of the stocks in the news today included Frontier Airlines reporting that for August, its load factor, that's the percentage of seats filled with paying passengers, widened to 87%. That's from 78.8% in the year earlier month. Target said August same-store sales rose 6.1% on the year, compared with a 2.8% rise reported in the same month last year. And ADC Telecommunications reporting fiscal third quarter earnings more than tripling to $16.6 million or 14 cents a share from a year ago. And that's the market wrap on this Thursday.